How to pay Shopee using the Touch and Go eWallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay Shopee using the Touch and Go eWallet. First, search shopee.com in your web browser. Once you're on the Shopee homepage, find your username and tap on it. After tapping on your username, a menu will appear. Look for and select My Account. Here, click on Banks and Cards. In the Banks and Cards section, you will see a list of your saved bank accounts and cards. If you haven't added a card yet, it might be empty. To add a new card, find and tap on Add New Card. A form will appear where you need to enter your card details. Start by entering your card number. Next, enter the expiry date of your card. Finally, enter the name as it appears on your card. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.